Giving women distance is a superpower that most men don't even know they have. So you met this girl, you liked her, of course, you took her number, and both of you kicked off things. You started texting her, both of you started talking. Every morning you text her good morning. Every evening after work, you text her good evening. Two of you will chat, chat, chat. Every day this thing goes on. You're always the first to call her, you're always the first to check up on her, you're always the first to text her, you're always the first to do all the, talking and texting. Then after a while, this girl stops replying to your texts as often as she used to. She stops, responding to your messages as fast as she used to. And all of a sudden, she stops, she starts making it feel as if you are forcing her to even reply to your messages. Now, what most men do at this point is they begin to chase more. They begin to apply more pressure. They begin to call her more often. They begin to act as if they are desperate at this point. No, if you really want to handle this situation, you have to give that woman distance at this point. Now, let's talk about the reason why she even stopped replying to your messages or she even began to take more time to reply to your messages. Now, one thing about women that every man has to know, especially if you follow me, is the more attention you give to women, the more they take it for granted and the more value you lose in their eyes. When you are constantly giving a woman attention, you are denying her that sense of mystery that she wants from you. Women always want to be around men who are mysterious. They find those men more attractive and, of course, more masculine. But when you always make it a point of duty to text a woman every morning, to text her every night, to call her in the afternoon, you always tell her how your day went, how your life is going on a 247 basis, the woman will get bored. A woman should be the one doing that and not you. The truth is, at this point, you have to give her distance. And the reason why you must give her distance is because human beings in general, value what is scarce. And they tend to value something more when they feel they are losing it. Now, imagine a situation where a girl is used to you calling her, texting her always, and all of a sudden, you ghost her or you stop texting her. At some point, she'll start missing you. At some point, she'll start feeling as if this guy that used to always text me, why haven't he texted me? What is going on? She'll start chasing you because at this point, she feels that she's losing that constant attention you always give to her. At this point, she feels that she's losing that constant care you always show to her. And when you reduce the way you text her or call her, or you stop entirely, she will start wondering what is going on in your life. And that will raise your value in her eyes. Now, the way distance works is don't just ghost her and continue whatever you are doing. No. As a man, you have to learn to be busy with your life to the point that you can afford to stop texting any woman, stop calling any woman, and you still be comfortable with yourself because you have many other things going on in your life. But when you're a guy who doesn't have much going on in your life, when you stop calling a woman or texting a woman, you start feeling a void in your life because what kept you occupied was calling that woman, texting that woman, or chasing different girls. That is what kept you occupied. But when you actually have an exciting life, a life that is based on purpose, you can afford to lose any woman and still be comfortable because already you are busy, you are purposeful, and you have many things going on in your life. Now, when you ghost a woman, the end is not to, ghost her or cut her off from your life. What you simply are trying to achieve by giving her distance is you want to show her that you value your time and attention, and you also value those people who reciprocate the level of attention and care you show to them. You want to show her that, see, if you don't respect my time and my attention, if you don't value it, or if you don't reciprocate the level of care and attention I give to you, I'm going to stop texting you. I'm going to stop calling you. Now, when you do this by giving a woman distance, she'll start seeing you in a different way. Probably before, she used to see you as a guy who is jobless, who is always giving her attention and his time every now and then, which of course would easily make her think that you are jobless or you don't have much going on in your life. Now, when you give her distance, she begins to see you as a guy who is busy, as a guy who is high value, as a guy who is probably doing so many things with his life and doesn't have time to be, chasing a woman who is not also giving him that level of energy that he's giving to her. So that's what you basically achieve when you give women distance. Now, how can you actually give her distance? Like, how can you make it seem to a woman that you are giving her distance? The first one is don't immediately reply to her messages within seconds. Before, when you text this girl and she texts back, you immediately reply her. That same second that she texted you. When you call her and she doesn't pick, immediately she calls you back, you always pick up. Now, the more you act desperate when it comes to text messages from a woman and calls from a woman, the more low value you appear to her. But let's assume that this girl began to take you for granted. And now when she texts you, you take more time to reply. In that girl's mind, she'll be like, this guy must be busy. Or this guy is probably seeing other women. All these things make that girl to feel as if she's losing you. All these things make that girl feel as if you are slipping away from her hand. Don't forget, you used to give this girl attention every time, but now she's now the one texting you, and you're not the one taking more time to reply. And when you give women distance, you automatically have power over them. Because at this point, you don't reply to her messages again, or you don't reply as often as you used to, or you don't call her as often as you used to. Now she will have no choice but to chase you, especially if that woman has some level of attraction for you. Now, the more she chases you, the more attraction she develops for you, because at that point she starts becoming obsessed with you. Now, the next one is don't always be available when she wants to see you. Simply because a girl told you, "Oh, I'm coming to your place," or "Come and follow me and go somewhere," you drop everything you are doing and you simply follow that woman, or you simply go to meet her, even when you had more important things to do. Now, if you constantly do these things, women will see through you and they'll be like, this guy that is always abandoning all the things he's doing just to come and see me every single time. Most likely, I'm a priority in his life. The truth is, women might say, "Oh, I want a man that will make me a priority in his life." No, women don't want that. When you make a woman a priority in your life, that woman will stop respecting you. That woman will start losing attraction for you. This is how women work. What women say they want is actually different from what they actually want and what they actually respond to. Women want you to make your purpose, your business, your hustle, your goals, your ambitions, your, the main priority in your life and not them. If a woman knows that you prioritize her more than you prioritize your job or your business or whatever you want to achieve in life, she will stop liking you, because women want to be with men who are constantly elevating themselves. Now, a woman knows that if you make her your priority, you can never go find life, and they will not want to be with someone like you. Now, the third thing you must do that will make her know that, okay, you are giving her distance is you must focus on your purpose and self-improvement. Because when you focus on your purpose and self-improvement as a man, you have less time to waste on women. You become less available to women. And a woman knows that this guy that is always busy with himself, busy with his business, that is always going to the gym, that is always reading books. If I'm fortunate enough to get some of his time, then that means I should prioritize it. I should utilize it very well. When a woman knows that you are busy with your life, she will not want to waste the time you give to her. That means whenever you tell her, "Babe, come to my place," she will run and come. When you text her, she will immediately reply. So these are the things you must do to keep these girls on their toes. Now, the fourth one is you must stop over explaining. If you really want to successfully give women distance and make them to realize your value, your worth, you must learn to stop over explaining. For example, you could not meet up a girl when she asked you to do it and when she told you to meet her. You start explaining, oh, I was busy, oh, you know this, you know that. No, don't explain. If a girl tells you, babe, let's meet by this time, and you cannot meet her, don't clear your schedule just to meet her. No, tell her the reasons why you can't meet her. But don't go over explaining, because when you over explain, the woman will start feeling as if you now value her so much to the point that you can't afford to live your own life. And when you make a woman start seeing that or start thinking that, she will start misbehaving. And of course, at a point, they will not even value you anymore because they'll be like, obviously, this guy, I have him wrapped around my fingers. So these are the things that will make her to start misbehaving. Now the next one is you must give her space to miss you. If you really want a woman to value you more and begin to see that you can afford to give her distance, you must learn to give her space to miss you. Don't always call her. Don't always text her. When she calls you, don't always, pick up. Give her space to miss you. Let her wonder what you are doing. Because if you're always giving a girl attention 247, she'll get bored. That's truth. And when a woman gets bored, they will obviously start mistreating you, stop texting you back or take more time to text you back and all the stuff that women do, which of course always frustrate you guys. So you must give her space to miss you. That is the only time a woman can value you more, respect you more, obsess about you more, and of course find you more attractive.